In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import customers in QuickBooks Online, whether you're a small business owner trying to streamline your accounting process or a manager dealing with a large volume of customer entries. This simple approach will definitely help you save time and avoid errors. So let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is click on Sign In. This step seems straightforward, but it's essential to make sure you're accessing the right account for your business. Once you've signed in, look for the option to choose QuickBooks Online. This ensures you're directly navigating to the platform where you'll be importing your data. You're now ready to enter your credentials, such as your username and password. Hit Continue once entered. Authenticating your account is crucial for security reasons, ensuring that only you have access to your financial data. Now let's navigate over to the settings. This can usually be found at the top of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Clicking on settings will open a series of options. From here you'll want to select Import Data. This action sets the stage for transferring information into your QuickBooks account without manual entry. Within the Import Data section, you'll see different options for various types of records you can import. Our focus today is on customers, so go ahead and select customers under the record type. This narrows down the import to only those records related to your customer base. With the record type set, it's time to click on Import. You'll be prompted to upload your CSV file containing customer information, browse through your computer files and locate the correct CSV file that contains all your customers' data. Make sure your CSV file is well organized and formatted correctly, otherwise importing could encounter errors. Once you've selected your file, it's time to map out the data fields from your CSV to match the fields in QuickBooks. This step involves aligning the columns from your CSV file to their corresponding fields in QuickBooks. A key aspect of this process is ensuring that each piece of information is directed to the correct field. Things like names, addresses, emails, and phone numbers should align accordingly. Finally, it's time to click on Import. QuickBooks will process your file. Depending on the volume of data, this could take a few moments. Once the import is complete, you'll have all your customers' data efficiently uploaded into your QuickBooks account. And there you have it. Importing customers into QuickBooks Online in just a few minutes. This process will not only save you time, but also enhance the accuracy of your records. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide useful, be sure to subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.